Namaskar.
Namaskar, I am Dr. Smita Pankaj Naram.
And I am Krishna Pankaj Naram. Now, today I will share with you an amazing story, a real life experience when I was right here in this very room. In this room, since the last 20 years, Mummy Papa have been practicing. They've been sitting here and they've been seeing patients, healing patients. Now, this one story is of a boy who was having many health challenges. Mainly, his mother was very concerned and depressed because this boy could not study, he could not communicate with anybody, he could not even make eye contact. He used to come in the room, he used to feel offended easily, feel terrorized, start screaming, start shouting. Mommy, what is it called in medical terms?
So it was hyperactivity, ADDD, autistic combination. So attention deficit disorder where you cannot, the children or teenager cannot sit in one place, goes round and round and is very, sometimes even violent.
Yes. Now, this boy is an innocent boy, but because of these things happening, you could see on his face there was a strain, there was a terrorized feeling. He was looking like he was tortured and harassed, but by who? From whom? And from where? Nobody knew. His parents wanted to just help him and love him, but he could not understand. So his mother's in the room, and this room is full of around 20-25 people from all over the world. I can see someone speaking German, someone speaking French, one doctor, Dr. Sandhya from Japan, and there's Papa and there's Mummy. And they're helping this couple who has come with they want to conceive and the husband has diabetes, so Papa is seeing the pulse, Mummy is next to Papa, and now suddenly there's a big noise in the room and there's a bottle of kidney mantra syrup, this syrup which we use for kidneys to heal the kidneys. He opens it, starts all over the room, he starts moving the bottle, so the syrup is flying everywhere. He turns around the bottle and there's an entire big puddle of syrup. Everyone is terrorized, scared, afraid. What's happening? What is this boy doing? And they move to a corner of the room. Some even run out of the room. They're all afraid and they're all scared. What is this? This is a strange thing that's happening. The mother is embarrassed and she doesn't even know how to show her face to the world. Now suddenly Papa walks to him and the mother says, Dr. Naram, move away, get someone to restrain him. Don't go close to him. He will hit you. He has done this before. Papa says, but what you are doing, he wants to express. There is so much inside him. Let it release. So I will share with you a marma which helps to release old painful blocks which can cause different health challenges and make even our brain undernourished. Let our brain not function properly. How to release emotions, how to release mental toxins. Papa did this marma and I was amazed what I saw. So he came to this boy. He says, oh dear child, I love you. Suddenly the boy starts relaxing. Now people thought it was magic, but he was doing these marmas. Within the next 5 minutes, I saw the biggest transformation ever in my life at the age of 12. From being his eyes wide open from fear and anger on his face, it calmed down. His eyes became gentle, his face became gentle, his body language changed. For the first time in his life, he raised his eyes, looked at everybody, made eye contact, went to his mother, said, I love you, and hugged her. They both started crying. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. I was amazed. The mother said, I have never experienced this in my life. So, what are the marmas that help to calm your brain, heal your brain, and release emotions? First marma, starting with the right earlobe. Right earlobe, press 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And suddenly it leaves a message in your subconscious mind. I love you. I love you. I love you. And suddenly there's a big transformation. Your brain calms down. Then second marma, it is going like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these two hands coming together, fingers touching each other and coming here 6 times. 6 times is one set.
Like this.
Like this. 6 times is one set. You can do many sets like that. And you will start feeling calm, composed, confident, fearless, start releasing. And the last one is here. Left hand right here where it hurts. Press it, press where it hurts. And that's where there's lots of things we have not let go of, we've held on to. This will help to let go. Keep pressing this 6 times, like that, multiple sets of 6, and you start letting go. Have ghee in the morning. With your food, have lots of ghee, and this helps to calm you, nourish your brain. Mom gave me a big remedy of pumpkin juice, white pumpkin juice. You can share if you'd like.
Yeah, white pumpkin, which is like you can find it in any Indian grocery store, or we call it bhopla or petha. We make it from that. So white pumpkin juice, half a glass, and add a teaspoonful of turmeric and a quarter teaspoonful of black pepper in it. This is also very nourishing for the brain. Besides, this is what we did to calm that boy down immediately, instantly. But besides that, daily, I told her mother to do this marma. So apply ghee on this temple region every night for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Then put a ghee here in this notch in the throat region, in the neck region here, and ghee in the navel at night. Put ghee in the navel. This 3 ghee application helps a lot to calm down so that he can get a great sleep. Of course, besides that, this boy was taking, and everybody who is ADD or hyperactive or difficulty to concentrate, we give them Ayush Shakti Bliss formula and Ayush Shakti Mind Power. Bliss and mind power is very effective, and thousands of children and adults have taken it to calm down their mind and get freedom from feeling anxious, feeling fearful, and they feel extremely settled and calm, full of life.
And so, full of life, we wish you a life, full of joy, full of vibrant health, unlimited energy, and peace of mind. We love you and we are with you.
We love you and we are with you.
Namaskar.